I'll be teaching on how to play this contemporary song titled In the Morning, Early in the Morning. I'll be teaching on how to play the solo part of the song, thereafter the chord. So we picked our key. I'll be teaching on how to do this in key G. So I'm using key G as a case study, meaning that you learn how to play this song in key G. You use the same method to play it in other keys. So key G, picking our root from the third string, which is G, do, 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 do. The third string, open string, do, do. Bring this closer so you can see better. Okay. So do, do. The open string of the third string, do, do. Then mi, open string of the second string, open string of the second string, do, do, mi, re. The second fret, yes, the second fret of the third string, yeah, we picked our re from the second fret of the third string, yeah, third string, second fret of the third string, re, yes, re. Then fa, 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 fa. So pick our fa, fa from the first fret of the second string, is fa here. Then mi, open string, mi, open string of the second string, then re, back to the re. So you can see my finger placement on the third string, second fret of the third string, re, do, back to do again, open string, do, then mi, we already know where mi is, then mi, mi, so, the so on the third fret of the second string, then fa, the fa on the first fret of the second string, as you can see, then fa, fa, open mi, open string, mi, the same string, then do, the do on the third string, open string, re. Then we pick our T, T from the fourth fret of the fourth string, string 1, 2, 3, 4, fret 1, 2, 3, 4. So T from the fourth fret of the fourth string, then back to the root, which is the do, the root, G, which is the root note, open string of the third string. So it goes like this one more time. Do, do, mi, sorry, do, do, mi, open string, re, fa, fa, mi, re, do, mi, sorry, mi, open string, mi, so, fa, 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 mi, do, re, ti, do. Okay, it's time to play the chord. The chord goes like this. In the one, which is do chord, in the mo, then ni, fifth chord, which is so, then fa, fa, early, which is the fa chord, early, fa, which is the chord 4, early in the morning, do, which is chord 1 again, in the morning, this chord 4, which is fa chord, I will rise 1 chord, and so 5 chord, which is so, and praise them back to 1. Do, do, so, fa, do, do, fa, do, so, do, 1, 5, 4, 1, 1, 4, 1, then 5, 1. In the morning, early in the morning, I will rise and praise the Lord. In the morning, early in the morning, I will rise and praise the Lord. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.